Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty, and I will see you in next week's video for another recipe of
mine. Are you sure about that?
Maybe, I don't know. Shh. Ethan, go home. This is it. We're done. That's a wrap for the week with you. One of my favorite ways to entertain my family and stretch a buck is to serve things on skewers. These are my Chimichurri Skirt Steak Skewers. You guys are going to love how flavorful and easy these are to make. Even prep them ahead of time for your next family style hangout. Let me show you how. Let's start this off with our chimichurri. We have flat leaf Italian parsley and a ton of it to chop up. Into a large mixing bowl it goes. Then we have a few or a handful of fresh garlic cloves. We'll chop this up nice and small, adding that to our parsley. Then to that we'll add some extra virgin olive oil and red wine vinegar. I like to go equal. Sometimes I like to go a little heavier on the red wine because I really love the flavor it adds to the meat along with tenderizing it. To that we'll add some crushed red pepper flake, some salt and black pepper. Give it a mix, give it a taste, and adjust as needed. For now, we'll slide that aside and pull in our skirt steak. We'll cut it into manageable pieces, cutting along the grain. Once that's done, we'll take these pieces, turning them the opposite way and cutting against the grain, kind of on a slant or diagonal.
A bias.
A bias. Is that what it's called?
Yeah, it's
Man, I'm not smart like you guys.
It's because I'm a ranch chef.
Okay, once we have these all cut up, let these marinate for at least 20 to 30 minutes in the marinade. On or off the skewer is fine. Either way, you're gonna end up having to skewer these on to pretty little sticks. Once you have that all done, these are ready, as long as they are room temperature before hitting our hot griddle. So if you do marinate them overnight, just pull them out of their fridge ahead of time, then sear them on high heat for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. These cook super fast, so if you want them a little less cooked, keep that heat high and pull them off sooner. Once they're done, you're gonna plate these up, serve them alongside extra chimichurri for drizzling over, or people can dip in there. I like adding a sprinkle of flaky sea salt, and that's it. These are one of my favorites. I know my family loves them, and who doesn't love food on a stick? It's like the perfect little appetizer to add to your next Sunday fun day family style hangout. Make them, no, take them, make them. I cannot wait to see. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty, and I will see you in next week's video for another recipe of mine.
Are you sure about that?
Maybe, I don't know. Shh. Ethan, go home. This is it. We're done. That's a wrap for the week with you.
All this talk of food on sticks makes me want a corn dog.
Ooh, we can do corn dog next time. But how about you try this for now?